Wow, did you guys see that rock fall in? I think we actually caught it. How much is a drone? Oh, it depends what kind of drone it is. Yeah, I mean, if you donate $2,000, I'll gladly fly it into the volcano if you want to see it. As long as I don't have to pay for it, then I'll do it. All right, things seems to be less bad right now. I'm not gonna say anything else. It's not terrible. The view. 2049. Yeah, we just made it back online to see this thing roll over. It was pretty cool wall collapse actually. It's so funny to see the viewer count just pop up when we finally get get the stream like it should be.